Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, and the Friday, November 16th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have the PlayStation 4 celebrating its 5th anniversary. Incredible when you think about it. It doesn't seem like that long ago when it was released. After 5 years, well, Sony revealed that it sold 86 million copies of the PS4, and of course gamers are waiting for the PS5 that was kind of hinted that it's coming somewhere in 2019 possibly. The surprise of Sony also, as they were talking about all of this, saying that they will not be part of E3 next year, and this is one of the major conferences that basically they are there pretty much all the time. Microsoft kind of hit the spot by saying, oh, well, I guess they don't find it important. And of course, Sony says that it wants to find better ways to engage with the audience. Well, as the rollout of the October 2018 update has resumed, Microsoft says it is aware of a few little problems like the mapped drive problem, but it says that there's a script on its website that actually you can run and fixes the problem. And also, some were a little surprised because of AMD that decided to not update its drivers for the HD 2000 and 4000 GPU. That means that there are some things in Windows 10 that might not work right because there's no more update to the driver. Well, the 64-bit era for ARM on Windows 10 is now here. Microsoft has announced that Windows 10 on ARM now supports 64-bit applications, and it's open to receiving 64-bit apps in the store. Be careful for the Black Friday, which is next week, and already we're seeing tons of fake websites, even apps, fake apps that pretend to be the app to find the super deals for shoppers, and it seems that many are getting caught. And you know what? You'll be basically losing money. So be careful and always go to the official websites, to Amazon.com or whatever, when you want to see the real Black Friday deals. Don't actually use a scam or go to an app or go to a website that you don't know anything about. You know that someone that always posts provocative content on Facebook. I have a few of them on my own Facebook feed. And sometimes you're wondering, well, this should not be on. Well, Facebook is now tightening the screw. It actually will make it much more difficult for such content to make it to the platform and be shared. So if you know that special someone, or maybe you're that someone, be careful what you post. Sorry. You know that GPS accuracy is okay, but not always the best it can, and this is sad because in reality the GPS system could be very precise, but unfortunately it is degraded intentionally. Well, the FCC is going to enforce regulations that will make the future devices compatible with the European service. That means if you have a smartphone in the coming future or a new GPS in your car, it will actually be able to connect not only with the GPS constellation in the United States, but the European service also, which would make your device much more accurate than it was before. Facebook issued a report with its effort to remove fake accounts. It had lots of information in there, lots of information about its war against fake accounts and spam. And it says that one of the numbers to remember is that just in the last quarter, they removed 754 million spam accounts. That just gives you an idea of how bad that is. Microsoft has announced that it will be making available in 2019 a Windows Update status dashboard. It would give information about the different updates available, what they are, and it apparently would actually also give details of some of the most common reported problems of each update. Now, this is actually a good idea if you want to see what's happening, as long as they actually do it right, because that's the other end of the problem. Well, many business workers that travel that basically don't have any idea of how cybersecurity and security threats they have along the way. They have no idea that the related security threats could be from the border guards asking to unlock the smartphone, to airport Wi-Fi, even hotel Wi-Fi, that all have, and there's a lot of reports on that, many security flaws, especially airports that have a lot of bad guys just wanting to scan around and see what's basically available that they could scoop up of information, and that the business worker that travels for its work needs to know more about cybersecurity. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, November 16, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.